I heard a rumor that Santa pays the elves in chocolate, and they've been working on some financial literacy classes because those hard working, overworking, lovable elves are eating the chocolate as soon as they get it, and they're not stashing it for the year ahead. And then they are left having to eat green beans and salad and vegetables because they did not learn financial literacy around their chocolate pay out, their chocolate paychecks. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I do know that it is day 6 of the 12 days of Yule here at the Sisters Enchanted. And every day for 12 days. So we're on day 6, we're halfway done. We are giving out a free offer to celebrate our community, to let you know how grateful we are for you, to have some fun, and to get you different resources that might be helpful in planning your 2026 and beyond. Because here's what we know: witches create energy, they don't respond to it. And yet, so many of us, I've been here too, respond to the energy of money in ways that is not helpful. Kind of like how the elves respond to their big lump sum of chocolate once a year. We've got to learn to navigate our energy when it comes to money. The thing about money is it's an entirely made up system, and it is an energetic system, and we are trading our energy to receive money. And then we're putting that money in places, which is sending our energy back out again. So today's free gift on day 6 of our 12 days of Yule is our money energy kit. It is a PDF download for you that will take you through the practicalities of money if you missed that lesson in early adulthood and teenage years, much like myself, and had to learn about money the hard way. It will have you take a look at what money you actually have, where it's going, how much money you need to live the life you want to live, all of these cool things. And the money energy kit is going to help you to reimagine your relationship with money from an energetic standpoint. Because money, as lame as it kind of feels to say it, really is about energy. And when we feel guilty spending money, earning money, asking for money, exchanging money, that guilt is telling a lot of different stories about ourselves. And much of it is societal based story that that's put upon us, particularly as women in the world that we live in, who are definitely sort of conditioned, I guess, to give and give and give and not take, to question what it is that we spend our money on, to kind of hesitate when we're asking for a raise or asking for more money or asking for more opportunity or more space at the table of life. And that shows up in our money energetics. Money is both practical and energetic. It is both lunar and solar. And we're going to explore all of that in the money energy kit. This is totally complimentary to you. It's our gift on our 6th day of the 12 days of Yule. If you are not receiving our emails so that you get these offers, the link is here in the description so you can register for the emails and you'll get today's offer as well as all the days still coming up. It's a really fun experience in the inbox because La Befana, the Italian Christmas witch, Krampus, and Santa are all making an appearance in the emails this week. You know, they're quite the crowd to work with. They bring some opinions, they bring some energy, and wrangling the 3 of them was no easy task. So be sure to head into those emails so that you can hear from them each day as well, and check out all that we have going on here at the Sisters Enchanted for the 12 days of Yule. These are our gifts of you. These are our gifts for you. And of course, we do have an opportunity to register for an upgraded offer if that aligns for you and if it feels right now. But please take the free gifts and enjoy them as you move into 2026. We appreciate you being part of the Sisters Enchanted family. We're all out here together, healing the witch wound, excavating all the nonsense, stitching up those scars one by one, applying vitamin E when they start to leave a mark. We're doing all the things and we're doing it together. And you are part of that movement. So thank you so much for being here. All right. I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of our 12 days of Yule as we kick off the second half. And until then, you know what to do. Stay magic, Enchanted Sister.